there, the machine has been unpacked. We've actually sighted it onto the table that we intend to use the machine on. We'll describe some of the features towards the back of the machine and what the machine is actually supplied with. The machine comes with a mains UK power lead for the UK market, and also a Euro plug for the European market. Also towards the back of the machine, you'll notice here the actual plug point for the plug, which we'll undo. You'll actually notice as well that there is a foot control pedal on the machine, which is already plugged in. So we'll now plug the English plug into the back socket. And we have a mains power on-off switch next to the plug socket as well. Also on the back of the machine, you'll notice that this is what we call the outfeed table. This has to be kept clear. The bench has to be kept clear behind the machine, so that when the work is feeding through the machine, it has an exit area. Onto the front of the machine, you'll notice that we have the power now on with the power indicator light illuminated green. On the other control panels, what we have here, you have an auto and a foot control switch. The auto is when the machine is powered and continuously moves forward, when it's in either of the directions. The foot control is when you're actually using it via the foot switch. You also have the rocker switch, which is off, forward and reverse. Obvious, forward to go forward, reverse to go backwards. Also, the machine has a speed adjuster, so that you can actually increase the speed of the rollers. Onto the other aspects of the machine, we have the height adjusters, which will demonstrate on how to set the height of the rollers. I'd like to talk to you just about the magic eyes and the safety features of the machine. You'll notice with the rollers running, we've got it set into auto mode. We're not using the foot pedal at all. When I break the magic eye, the rollers actually stop and the machine beeps at you. When I take my finger away, the beeping stops and the rollers will start turning again. If we put it into foot mode, and put my foot on the foot pedal, again, when I break the magic eye, it will make an audible noise, it will beep at us, but the rollers will keep on turning. One other thing with the control panel is when you have the machine in automatic mode, it will only work in forward. When you have it in reverse, the machine will not operate. You have to put it onto foot control and then press the foot control down to actually make the machine go backwards. You have at the front of the machine, you'll notice this is a dispenser bar for when we're using southbound mount film. To attach the dispenser bar to the back of the machine, they'll just slot into the location. Please note that the core dogs are facing it towards the back of the machine, rolling towards the back of the machine. And we'll come on to showing you how that is used later on. Onto the front of the machine, onto the in-feed table, you have to again keep this clear for any work that you have, whatever size work that you have going in, and also, as I said earlier, on the exit of the machine. You'll notice also on the in-feed table there's a calibration guide that will help us make sure that everything is square going through the rollers. You'll notice also the other thing with the machine is that the actual rollers will open up to a maximum gap of 15 millimeters. So you can mount onto anything up to 15 mil thick. The final thing to do once the machine is fully set up and you're happy that everything's working is to fill in the warranty card that is supplied with the machine and return it to the address on the back.